Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade kit specifically designed for Dell EMC PowerEdge tower servers, the T150 and T350 models. We're looking at the OWC 128GB DDR4 3200 kit, a substantial upgrade that promises to breathe new life into these workhorse servers. This kit comprises four 32GB DDR4 modules, operating at a speedy 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600, with a CL22 latency. Their ECC unbuffered DIMMs, crucial for maintaining data integrity in server environments. The 2RX8 configuration and 1.2V operating voltage are standard, ensuring compatibility and efficient power consumption. One of the key selling points is its guaranteed compatibility. OWC explicitly states that this kit is designed and tested to meet or exceed all manufacturer OEM specifications. This is a huge reassurance, especially when dealing with server hardware where stability is paramount. It's also JEDEC standard and RoHS compliant, ticking all the boxes for industry standards and environmental responsibility. Why upgrade your server's memory? Well, more RAM translates directly to improved performance. Servers often juggle multiple tasks simultaneously, and insufficient memory can lead to bottlenecks, slowdowns, and even crashes. Upgrading to 128 GB provides ample headroom for demanding applications, virtualization, and large datasets. It allows your server to handle more concurrent users and processes without breaking a sweat. Installation is generally straightforward. OWC even provides a basic installation video to guide you through the process. In most cases, it's a simple DIY project that can be completed in minutes. However, always consult your server's manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. OWC also backs its products with an industry-leading consumer-friendly advanced replacement program and a limited lifetime warranty. This demonstrates their confidence in the quality and reliability of their memory modules. Free tech support is also included, which is a valuable resource if you encounter any issues during installation or operation. For Dell PowerEdge T150 and T350 server owners looking to boost performance and extend the lifespan of their machines, the OWC 128GB DDR4 3200 ECC unbuffer memory kit is a compelling option. It offers a combination of performance, compatibility, reliability, and excellent support, making it a worthwhile investment for demanding server workloads.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.